All right, the government will soon start repairing National Cereals and Produce Board depots across the country in preparation for a bumper maize harvest that is expected this season. Head of Public Service Felix Koskei says the government will repair 36 mobile dryers and purchase 70 more as part of the government's efforts towards post-harvest management of farmers' produce. The head of Public Service further says the country and the national governments will improve the road network in the North Rift, including opening up feeder roads to help farmers transport their produce to NCPB stores with ease.
We can see the kind of yield that we are expecting, and we are very happy because I think in another 2 months, shortage of maize, shortage of food in this country will be a thing of the past. We have also come up with what we call warehouse receipting system, where private sector players will come up with the stores of their own, which are going to be certified, and the farmers will be using these stores only for storage, but their produce will remain to be theirs, and they can use the receipt that they are going to get whatever emergency funds that they require, waiting for the time when the prices are right for them to sell.